I'm Anshita and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then go click on the subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube fam. Hold up. So this video I thought a lot about shooting it or not, because I know that a lot of people have already covered this and a lot of people have already made videos on this, but I wanted to compile all my go through poses in a video and just share it here, because I know that a lot of people struggle with posing, because I personally did struggle with it and I still struggle with it. So I just thought that this might help, and these are mostly sitting poses. Like, these are all sitting poses and mostly for self-portraits, but you can also use these poses in pictures that are not self-portrait. Yeah, if you're interested, just keep watching. So for all of you that have just started clicking self-portraits, or are thinking of starting with self-portraits, the first thing I would ask you to do is look for inspiration. And this I have said in all of my videos, जिसमें I talk about photos या फिर Instagram का कुछ या फिर aesthetic का कुछ, that go get inspiration from wherever you want to, from wherever you can. So I mostly use Pinterest to get inspiration. You can use Instagram, you can use Google, or any social media platform you want. So you can also follow me on Pinterest, and I have this board which I have created called Photography Poses for Girls, which can like help you out. So yeah, you can go check that out. I'll link my profile in the description box below, or like mention my username. The second step, now once you've got inspiration and you've saved the poses that you like, just know what you're comfortable with and keep like a mental checklist of all the poses that you want to try out and that you can do and you are willing to do. And another thing is to know what profile suits you best, and like what angle suits you best. So for example, मेरी left profile ज़्यादा अच्छी है, so I mostly click pictures जिसमें I'm looking to my right so that my left profile is visible, or I do poses जिसमें मेरी left side is visible more than my right side. So you can do a small test to find out which profile suits you better, and just do this small test कि click a picture जिसमें you're looking to your right, click a picture जिसमें you're looking to your left, and click a picture जिसमें you are looking at the camera सीधा बिल्कुल. Now go through those pictures and see कि कौन सी picture you like the most. If you like left profile वाली, then your left profile works better for you. If right, then right. If front, then front. And this will help a lot, because then you can pose accordingly. Now third thing is to finally click pictures. Now I'll quickly come to poses. Okay, बहुत ज्ञान हो गया. Now I'll directly jump to what this video is originally about. So one thing that I would like to say is that when you're sitting now, like abhi bhi I'm sitting, so you can only see my upper profile, right? So move your hands, use your hands. It is very important that बैठते वक्त जब हम फोटोज क्लिक कर रहे हैं उसमें भी मूव अराउंड आवर हैंड्स एंड यूज देम एज मच एज you can while posing. So the first thing which you can do with your hands is touch your hair. So this is like my go-to pose. मेरी एक ना एक फ़ोटो हमेशा होती है, like whenever I click pictures, one picture I always click just when I'm playing around with my hair. Yeah, just play around with your hair. It will just make your pictures look a lot more better. So the second thing you can do with your hands is reaching out to the camera. So this is also one of the poses that I do a lot. इसमें you just have to act like you're reaching out to the camera. Yeah, you can use one hand, you can use both hands, and it will just give an extra something to your picture. Yeah, so reach out to the camera. Now the third thing which you can do with your hands is create triangles. So I've seen a lot of posts, videos and all about this triangle banane wala thing. So basically what this is that you should try and make triangles with your body while posing. So making a triangle can simply be just putting one of your hand on your waist or both of your hands on your waist, so that makes a triangle. Doing this makes two triangles. So just play around and make triangles. Now the fourth thing which you can do with your hands is use it to block sunlight. So I'll just call this pose blocking. If you're clicking sun-kissed pictures, this is a very good pose to try out, because this not only blocks the sunlight literally, but also creates shadows on your face, and that adds another element. Along with sunlight and along with moving your hand, you're also playing with shadows, so that can make your picture look a lot more better. So use your hand to block the sunlight. Even if there's no sunlight, just use it to block. Just use your hands to block. Now the fifth thing which you can do with your hands is just use it to touch your face or anywhere. So you can touch your forehead, you can do this, or very recently I started doing this pose. I just take one of my finger and I part my lips a little and rest my finger on my lower lip, and I think that this looks really good in pictures, so you can try that out too. Now the next thing that I would like to talk about is that वो pictures तो हो गई जिसमें सिर्फ upper body दिख रही है, but what about those pictures जिसमें you're sitting but whole of your body is visible? So for these pictures you can also use your legs to pose, right? So उसके लिए भी I have some poses that I do. You can fold your knees and simply rest your arms on it, and yeah, that is one pose. Now second is you can simply just sit with your legs towards with your legs to one side and with your hand on the other, resting on the other side, and just simply pose. I have clicked pictures in this pose while wearing a kurti and while wearing a maxi dress, and both of them turned out to be really good. So yeah, just try it out and I hope that it works for you. Now the third thing which you can do around with your hands and your legs is just keeping one leg bent, like one knee bent and the other bent but on the floor, and then you can play around with your hands as well. Do just raise them up or make triangles like I explained before, and this will all together make your picture look really good because you are using your legs as well as your hands to pose, which will make the picture look very attractive. I think I have covered everything, but अगर कुछ छूट गया हो तो फिर I'll just put pictures idhar so that you can see and just take inspiration from them. It's just a mixture of everything that I've talked about in the video till now, and I hope that you'll be able to recreate these poses. If you do, then do tag me in your pictures or just send them to me, DM kar do on Instagram. I'll make sure to check them out, and these poses have all worked for me over a period of time. Like I tried them and I liked them, and then I tried them again, and then I changed them a little bit and made like a new pose for me that works. So you can also do the same, just you have to experiment. Posing is all about experimenting and seeing what works for you. Yeah, thank you for watching. You've made it till the end. Thank you a lot. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, then go subscribe right now. Like the video if you liked it, comment and tell me if you want more such videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.